This is Scott from KIG. It is Thursday, November 7th, 2013. This here is our year 2005 Donaldson 13-ton air-cooled chiller. Just going to go ahead and turn the power on here. Put the unit. This is model number UC0400. It's a year 2005 unit. Serial number is 40842/05. We have the water in the tank heated up fairly high. We're going to do a test here today, down to say 45 or so. 45. Got a set point range of 40 to 60 F, and that right now that's showing you the current water temperature. We did label our gauges here. We had a brief demo earlier this morning. We mentioned we were going to do that. This is our refrigerant high pressure, refrigerant low pressure. That's your primary fluid or water pressure here. We're calling it pump pressure water supply. And then there's a secondary gauge on this one, pump pressure process return. In this case it's lower because we have it throttled back with a shut-off valve in the rear. Right now there's a little delay. There is a delay in the compressor turning on, starting to chill. That's built in. This temperature controller is the set point for the leaving water temperature, the primary set point. This one here you really shouldn't have to touch. This is a pump low ambient thermostat. It's detecting the entering water temperature, but this basically will keep the pump going in the event that it gets too cold outside. This is going to a southern location. You really shouldn't have to touch that at all. This is really the main thing you're going to be dealing with while you're operating the chiller. So we do have the cover off right now. And show you a couple things in here. The controller transformer. This is our low flow, and you can hear the compressor just turned on. This is our control for low flow freeze protection. It's basically showing you the fluid temperature that's exiting the exchanger. Basically, if there's in lieu of a flow switch, if it sees the fluid leaving the exchanger at too low of a temperature, which is basically what happens when there's no flow, it's going to shut the system down. This here is our VFD for our condenser fans. You shouldn't have to touch that either. We did label that for you though. You can hear both fans are going right now. And these are our low pressure and high pressure switches. Shouldn't have to touch those at all either. In fact, all the covers were made on here. This is our primary cover that has a foam seal right here. We'll put that on before shipping. And then this blue cover here will be on over that. So we're starting to chill right now. It's gotten down to 83. Well, you don't want to open that up now, do you? This is the inside of the unit. These water lines here are strictly from our heater to heat up the fluid in our tank for the test. Both fans are running right now. You can hear they're changing speeds a little bit, as they should. VFD drive. We're going to come back for video number 2 in a second. We're going to turn off right now and come back for video number 2 as we reach set point and put some new batteries here in our video camera.